Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will tell you how to contact Ooredoo customer care helpline number with WhatsApp. If you are using WhatsApp, then you can contact Ooredoo helpline number Ooredoo customer care center. So if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe us and press on bell icon. So let's start our video. If you want to contact an Ooredoo helpline number with WhatsApp, so this is the Ooredoo Kuwait number +96566300121. This is the Ooredoo WhatsApp number of Kuwait. So second one is Ooredoo SIM contact number Qatar +97444141111. So that's the number of Ooredoo SIM, and you can contact with WhatsApp. So you can get any help of these numbers of WhatsApp.